Ever found yourself pondering on the workings of hydraulic pumps? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of these mechanical marvels that convert mechanical power into hydraulic energy. The primary function of a hydraulic pump is quite fascinating. It typically draws in a fluid, usually oil, pressurizes it, and then displaces that fluid to perform mechanical work. But not all pumps are created equal. There are various types, each with its unique mechanism and function. First up, we have gear pumps. These are composed of two interlocking gears. As these gears rotate, they create a vacuum that draws in fluid. This fluid is then carried between the gear teeth and is forced out as the gears mesh together. Simple, but highly effective. Next in line, we have vane pumps. Now, these are slightly different. They possess vanes that slide in and out of slots to trap and move fluid. As the vanes rotate, the fluid is expelled at the pump's outlet. It's a beautiful dance of mechanical precision and fluid dynamics. Then we have the piston pumps. These pumps use reciprocating pistons to pressurize the hydraulic fluid. The fluid is drawn into the pump chamber during the suction phase and pushed out during the discharge phase. It's a repetitive yet vital process. But wait, there's more. We also have axial and radial piston pumps. In axial pumps, the pistons are arranged parallel to the pump shaft. Meanwhile, radial pumps have their pistons arranged in a radial pattern. Regardless of their configuration, both use the reciprocating motion of pistons to generate hydraulic pressure. Now, regardless of their type, these hydraulic pumps play a crucial role in powering hydraulic systems. They are used in various applications, from heavy machinery and automotive systems to industrial equipment. The pressurized hydraulic fluid they generate is then used to perform tasks like lifting, pressing, or moving components within the hydraulic system. So, in summary, hydraulic pumps, whether they're gear pumps, vane pumps, piston pumps, axial, or radial, are all designed to convert mechanical power into hydraulic energy. They draw in fluid, pressurize it, and displace it to perform mechanical work. Their unique designs and mechanisms allow them to power a vast array of hydraulic systems, making them indispensable in our modern world. And there you have it. The next time you see a piece of heavy machinery, a car, or even an industrial machine, remember the humble hydraulic pump, the silent hero working tirelessly behind the scenes, making our modern lives possible.